Should introduce myself if you didn't watch my other videos. My name is Debbie, and I'm also known as One Tough Cookie because a year and a half ago, well, almost 2 years ago now, I battled breast cancer and I won. I am cancer free now. Still have my boobs. One's a little smaller, but that's the way life goes. I went through first chemo, then surgery, a lumpectomy, and then radiation. And I've lived to tell the tale. My hair is starting to grow back, albeit very, very thin and baby fine. And would you believe I put product in it and it just does what it wants, but it's better than nothing, right? I used to have long blonde hair, but now this is what I'm left with. So I just have to be grateful and thankful every day that I'm still breathing and that I had the opportunity to have all the treatment that I did. And I can go into detail about that if anyone would be interested. I have a lot of resources and a lot of things that I could discuss, answer any questions. I have wigs, but when it's 95, 100 degrees, I can't. I break out in sweats as it is, so that would be like having a raccoon and a scarf on in the summer, so I can't do it. But I sure wish I could, because this, whatever. Many times I'll wear a flower in my hair, which I'll probably do in future videos. Sorry. Anyway, I just thought that I would come on here and say hello and introduce myself. I have a little bit of makeup on. I did a tutorial about a simple look like this. I don't really have any eyebrows, so you can see that I kind of draw them on very thin, just so that there's something there. And yeah, I love Louis Vuitton. I love makeup. I love watching YouTube videos. I love shopping. I love getting a deal. I love Steve Perry. There's a lot of things that we could talk about. So anyway, I just wanted to say hi, and hopefully you'll follow along. I don't have a lot of friends in real life. I mean, I have a lot of people that love me and, a lot of Facebook friends, but I only have a few really close friends. I don't really talk to them that much. So I'm home a lot alone, and so I feel like I need some new friends, and guess what? You're it. So hopefully you'll be my friend, and we will talk about some things and maybe have some fun. Okay, thanks so much. Bye.